Hi, it's Jen and Tammy has been on the hunt, and whoa, this is not a small notion.
No, this is not a small notion.
I got excited when you showed me this.
These are beautiful.
And I'll say, every year, I'm like, okay, this is the year I'm going to get really organized.
Yes.
And when you showed me this, I thought maybe it's going to be true.
Really is this year. Yes.
Show me what this is.
These are amazing project bags. They're made by Tudo. Tudo makes a line of luggage for your sewing machine.
You have your sewing machine.
I have a Tudo bag.
I've seen it.
I love it. The quality is extremely high with Tudo bags. These are made by Tudo. They are project bags. Let's open one of these up. Notice these heavy zippers on these? Really a heavy zipper.
This thing is in.
Oh yeah, it's not coming out of there.
And I see multiple bags
Oh
in
yes,
there.
you get a set of 4. So you have your big one with a handle. The big one has a handle, and the other 3 are your other sizes right here.
The thickness
Isn't
of
that
this
amazing?
plastic is unreal.
It is unreal, isn't it? It's very heavy duty vinyl.
Yes.
These are not very thin, cheap bags. Like, I know I've had some of those, and it seems like after you use them for a little while, they break or they split. Yes, there gets a hole in them. I just hate that. What I love about this bag is it has the nylon stuff on the bottom. So if I put a pair of scissors in here, the scissors fall through and they're not attacking my vinyl.
So they'll settle down into this part.
Yes, they settle into the pocket. Right, right.
Wow.
But for rotary cutters, can you imagine going to class and being able to see what's in your bags?
I can't tell you how much time I waste. Where's my stuff?
Looking for stuff.
Digging it out. Now you can see what's in the bag.
Now you can see what's in the bag before you even grab it.
They've really thought this through.
Definitely.
I noticed they've got the loops. I mean, I think that just helps open the bag, but you could actually attach it to something.
You could hang this on something. You could.
If you
could
wanted
hang that on your sewing bag. You can hang this on another piece of luggage or your sewing machine case.
Wow.
Yeah, definitely thought it through.
I see this for definitely
a little pocket.
Traveling.
Oh yeah.
Traveling,
which you're doing now. So traveling is good. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. I love this set of
Even if
bags.
you wanted to use 3 for sewing and 1 for your personal items.
Exactly.
I mean, really, if you think about it.
You could put anything in these bags. You're right. You could.
And there's a name thing. So I know at Quilt Retreats we get the name tags. You can kind of put that in there.
Yep. Or your business card or whatever would go in there. So when you take it to class, everyone knows this one belongs to you.
Yeah. Don't touch.
I like that.
I see we've got purple.
I like that.
Same set.
I do.
Same size. Same everything.
Everything's the same. We have a purple set and a teal set.
And I know we have limited quantities.
We do have limited quantities.
I know we are intending to keep this going.
Yes.
But we've ordered everything that was available.
Everything they
so
had.
if this speaks to you, especially
Christmas
birthdays,
birthday gifts,
anniversaries, tell your husband.
Yep.
This is something I would love to have. Grab this, and I think knowing there's 4 bags, it's super affordable.
It is affordable. You get 4 bags for the price of 1. Basically. Yes.
Unbelievable.
They're beautiful.
Well,
clearly organized. That's
okay,
the name of the product. You are clearly organized. That's the name of the product. I love that.
Okay, Tammy, I'm glad you brought this to us because we all know we don't want to waste time finding what we want. We want to sew.
We just need to find it.
Yep,
That's right.
We just need to find it so we can get going.
Right.
So thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to the YouTube channel, be sure to do that. Tammy and I are always looking for new notions to bring you, and of course, new quilting tutorials and DIY projects.
Always.
So we'll see you next time.